I've been listening to Alex Hormozi my entire business life. Now, it just so happened that as a 19-year-old, last month I've hit well over $80,000 and I'm on track to hit 100K a month very soon. Now, there is one thing in particular that Alex Hormozi told me that allowed me to scale from 10K a month to 80K a month really fast. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what it is and why it made scaling my business so much easier compared to just me doing it the old way. Now this video is gonna be a bit more tactical, probably for people who are already making at least a few K a month. Now, if you're making at least a few K a month or you have at least a few K a month saved up, I really do recommend that you run paid ads. So if you're watching Alex Hormozi, you're probably very familiar with the two numbers. LTV to CAC and cash collected to CAC. Now, those two numbers, LTV to CAC, is the lifetime value, or we prefer to actually take lifetime gross profit. So how much you make per client in their lifetime. So this is basically, in an agency, if you're charging a retainer, how much they pay you times the amount of months that they stay. Let's say that they pay you 2K a month, they stay for 5 months, so they're worth 10K. Now, CAC is your customer acquisition cost. Cash collected is obviously how much you collect on the sales call up front. Now, on the higher level agency, once I started kind of like meeting higher level people, you know, some people making 10K a month, some people making 50, some people making 100, 200, 300. Now, all those people, to be honest with you, regardless of how good they are, they all have similar CAC, meaning they have to spend in the same niche. They have to spend a similar amount of money to get a client. Now, obviously, if somebody charges 500 bucks a month and somebody charges 10K a month, the CAC is going to vary. But let's say that we have two agency owners charging 2.5K a month, which is, by the way, what I charge right now, in a similar niche. Even if one is very good and one is like okay at ads, the phenomenal guy is going to have a CAC of, let's say, like 1K. And the mid guy, let's say, is going to have a CAC of like 2K. Right? So it costs this guy 1,000 to get a 2.5K a month client. It costs this guy 2,000, which seems like a big difference, right? Now, my whole point, and I've always understood it that way, is how to make as much money as possible on the day one, which is logical, especially if you don't have that much money. But what I've learned is that if you're trying to optimize for CAC, right? Trying to get this down, make more ads, make it down to 900, make this to 1.8K, and you keep just fucking fighting with your CAC, it's not really giving you anywhere. Because let's say that you're spending 100 bucks a day on ads. In this scenario, even in the very good person, you are spending 3K a month, means that you're getting 3 clients a month. And in this scenario, you're spending 3K a month, you're only getting 1 client a month. So let's say that you're getting 1 to 3 clients per month at 2.5K a month. So you're not growing that fast. You're only adding like 2 or 5K per month to your agency. And that is assuming that you don't lose all your clients. So here's the thing that was really keeping me stuck. So I was keeping my ad spend pretty low, but here is my point. The whole point of the agency model is to make money. And that is also the difference between the biggest agencies. They make money on the back end, right? So for example, right now, my retention in December, I did not lose a single of my 25 clients, 0. So my point is that this month I'm gonna make over 80K a month just from my existing clients, right? So my point is that, for example, if you have one client and you can keep him for, let's say, 5 to 10 months, which is really where the cash, let's say you can keep him for 10 months, that means that one client is worth 25K to you, right? 25,000. So who cares if it costs you 1K or 2K or fucking 5K to get him? It doesn't really matter because you're making 25,000 every single time your client comes through the door. So where your focus should be is not how to make your CAC from 2K to 1.5K. Your focus should be on how to increase the retention from 2 to 3 months to 10 months or more. Like I have clients who are with me since day one. I started my agency last summer, so like 1.5 years ago. And I have clients who are still with me to this day, paying me every single month, right? I've made like 30K off of each of them already. And they will stay for years because they love my service. So my point is, what I've learned from Alex Hormozi is that great businesses don't make their money on the front end, although the caveat is that it is really good. I mean, you have to be profitable on the front end because if it costs you less to get a client than you get on month one, you can infinitely scale the ad spend. But my point that I was kind of like keeping for the whole video is you want to be increasing the ad spend to bigger numbers. Right now I spend 400 a day. From January, I'll probably spend it way more, even like 600, 700 a day. And those numbers, when I was at 100, 200 a day in ad spend, scared the shit out of me. I was so scared to increase my ad spend. Why? Because I was barely breaking even, right? I was spending out, my CAC was 2K. I was charging 2K back then. I was barely breaking even on the first month. Sure, I was comfortable here, right? I wasn't like losing money on the front end. I was kind of like breaking even on the front end. But my point is that if your service delivery and your client retention is phenomenal, which should be a 99% focus of your time in your agency, then you can increase the ad spend. Because I could spend 1K a day right now, right? So I'm spending 30K a month. Even if my CAC is 2K, right? I'm getting 15 clients at 2.5K a month, which is 30 something, I don't know, 37, I think 0.5K a month added. Don't check my math, which I spent 30K. I've already made it back first month, but then so my profit margin is terrible here. But the next month, right, assuming that I can keep like 30K of them, I've literally added 30K a month to my agency. So if I was at, let's say 50K a month here, I decided to spend 1K a day, right? I've spent 30K. Okay, I got 37K back, so I've made a little bit of profit. But the next month, all of that money is clean profit. I've literally exploded my agency. And the next month, and the next month, and the next month. And out of 15 clients, if your LTV is like 20K, then you've just made $300,000 by putting 30K in. So if you make $300,000 over the lifetime of a client by putting 30K in, you don't care how much you spend on ads because you know that you're going to make it back. And the longer you go, the more you see the actual fruits of you making that money back from the back end. So if you want to have a few takeaways for this video, first of all, focus on the back end, on client retention, on your customer journey, because on the long enough time frame, that is all that matters. Client acquisition, customer acquisition cost is a commodity in a niche. And that is what I've learned from Alex Hormozi. Client acquisition costs vary by very little within a niche. They're very similar. Everybody pays roughly the same to get a client. Where the big companies make their money is on the back end by making the customer worth so much more. If you can make the customer worth so much more, you're gonna scale insanely fast, because after those months, you have all that money of 30K, 60K, 90K, 120K, just off of that 30K here. And then you can just keep increasing that. Now, obviously, in the meantime, you're gonna have shit breaking down that you have to fix. But my point is, if you can focus on the back end, you are not gonna be worried to increase your front end. Because if you're making so much more money on the back end, that means that you can spend way more money on the front end because you know you're gonna make it back. And that is where you're gonna absolutely crush your competition. It's not by having slightly better ads, it's by spending 10 times more than them and then making it back on the back end. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I wasn't too chaotic with my thoughts, but that is what I think has allowed me to scale to almost 100K a month right now as a 19-year-old college student. So if you enjoyed the video and you want to learn from me directly, we have a WAP below where I have a few videos breaking down each of those concepts a bit more in detail and call this managed running ads and all that. If you actually want to learn from me one-on-one, we have a mentorship option available that is not for everybody, but you can definitely reach out to me, book a call, and we can see if you are a fit. So thanks for watching and have a great day.